The church.
The church
Church.
is one body,
One body.
with many members.
Many.
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 many members,
Called from every nation.
Toda nación. 各国
kindred,
tongue,
Lengua.
各种方言
tongue,
And people.
In Christ, we are a new creation.
New creation.
new
Creation.
Distinctions of race.
culture
learning,
and nationality.
and differences between high
and low.
Rich and poor.
male,
And female.
must not.
must not,
Not
be divisive among us.
we are all equal in Christ.
Equal.
Equal in Christ.
Who by one Spirit
Has bonded.
Bonded us.
into one fellowship.
with him,
And with one another.
we are to serve.
And be served.
Without partiality or reservation.
Through the revelation of Jesus Christ.
In the Scriptures.
We share the same faith.
and hope.
And reach out.
In one witness to all.
This unity.
This unity
Has its source.
Source.
In the oneness of the triune God.
Who has adopted us?
Adopted us.
He has adopted us.
As his children.
His